What's up guys, and welcome back to another HyperX ribbon video. In today's video guys, I'm going to be unboxing for you today is the Corsair HS70 Bluetooth headset for gaming. If you guys enjoyed today's unboxing, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe if you guys haven't already. Without further ado guys, let's get straight into the video. So guys, this is the Corsair HS70 Bluetooth headset. I'll get it outside the packaging for you. So the reason why I bought this headset was because I wanted a wireless headset that I could use while I'm not streaming. Because as you know, I stream on my PlayStation 5 through my PC, so I need to connect a couple of wires and stuff like that. So I need a solution for me to obviously game comfortably while obviously having less wires. So this is the front of the actual box that you'll get. As you can see, it's compatible with the Switch, Xbox, PlayStation, PC, mobile. It works with multiple input devices, so as Bluetooth, 3.5mm headphone jack, and also the USB. To the side, obviously you get the branding, and then here is towards the back where you obviously get the specifications, which I will obviously go through of the video, and then here's the other side here. Unboxing the box, you have one sticker at the top. So once that's off, so opening the box, just pull out the little tray over here, and straight away what we can see here is obviously an empty box there. Throw that to the side. So as you can see, we've got some paperwork here. So let's open that up. So inside here you'll get a quick start guide to obviously how to obviously use the headset in multiple different languages. You get a safety information guide and obviously a warranty guide as well. Looking at the actual box in itself, we'll just pull out the headset here. Oh, actually, it's got a protective sleeve here, so we need to take that off, prevent it from falling. Oh, okay, that's pretty good packaging to be fair. So inside that little pocket of sleeve, you have all your cables here. So first we have the detachable microphone. Let's open it up and show you guys. So this headset comes with a detachable headset mic, obviously where you can adjust how you want it. It comes with an optional windscreen or pop filter. So obviously if you guys are talking and you do use a lot of P's and S's, that will obviously help you with the audio quality there. Next thing that we have in here is a USB-C cable. I'm glad that they included a USB-C cable because again, for people who are using PlayStations, you can obviously charge your headset using USB-C. Taking the cable out, I can see it's quite a long cable, which is good. I'll probably say it's about 1.6 meters in length. So yes, that's good that they included that. And then the last piece of cabling that they include is a 3.5 audio to audio jack. Also guys, just to let you know as well that all these cables here are braided as well, which is good. So what I said earlier on in the video about you running multiple inputs within the headset. So for example, if you want to use this for plugging into your PlayStation, you can do that, and also connect to Bluetooth to your mobile device. So obviously if you want to take a phone call while gaming, you can also do that. Taking the headset out of its packaging, I can see straight away it's got very good quality. So this is the top of the headset. As you can see, it has Corsair over here. It features a leatherette headband, which again, very plush, very comfortable. And onto the ear cups as well. There is no swivel, unless I maybe take off the plastic packaging. So we get that off. So as you can see guys, a little bit of swivel over there. On the on the right ear cup, we've got the power button there with an LED. It features an open back headset. As you can see here guys, this part is metal. So the actual headband and also the actual clip holding onto the ear cup is also metal as well. It does come in and out. So obviously you can get that adjustment there if you guys may have a funny head shape. On the left hand side, as you can see here, we've got the volume rocker which might be the volume rocker for party, or if not, game chat. You've got a physical mute button. You've got the USB-C cable for charging, and also you can charge and play at the same time. And you've got the 3.5mm jack, and then you've got this Corsair cover, which comes off completely for you to insert your detachable headset there. To show you guys a little bit of a head test, so I'm gonna obviously show you what that looks like. So straight away, this is what it looks like on camera. To me, I'm very, very, very comfortable. I can smell the leather. My ears are not cramped inside to the driver. You've got a lot of space. The headset's not coming off, even with a wiggle test as well, which is good. So yeah. So this is the headset unboxing of the Corsair HS70. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe if you guys haven't already.